I can't find the parachutes.
Haha, there are no parachutes. The first person to get out of the volcano wins immunity. If you fall in the lava, magma, and
The National Weather Service in Atlanta has issued a flash flood warning for Jacksonville, Florida, Elizabethtown, Kentucky, Chicago, Illinois, starting at 6:46 p.m. and ending at 7:60 p.m. on November 25th, 2021. If you are at home, please hide in the basement. If you are on the go, make sure you are wearing a life jacket. If you are in a hotel, please take cover in the corner. If you are at school, in daycare, preschool, first grade, second grade, third grade, fourth grade, fifth grade, sixth grade, seventh grade, eighth grade, ninth grade, or 10th grade, please hide in the bathroom with no lights. If you are in your car, please hide somewhere or in the back. If you are at a restaurant such as Chick-fil-A, Burger King, McDonald's, Little Caesars, Papa John's Pizza, Pizza Hut, Dunkin' Donuts, Arby's, Culver's, Baskin Robbins, or Domino's Pizza, get out of your seats and hide. If you are at a store such as GameStop, Kohl's, Walmart, Winn-Dixie, JCPenney, Ashley Home Store, Bed Bath & Beyond, Target, Home Depot, Ross, Michaels, or Staples, hide in the corner. We repeat, this is a flash flood warning ending at 7:16 p.m. on November 25th, 2021.
I like to mix it all up. So I'm gonna put some fries on my Big Mac. Or top my fries with chicken McNuggets. That's right. Or make a totally new sandwich like this. As long as yours doing you, you're doing the sweetie now. Order ahead on the McDonald's app.
Someone stole your hottie sauce. Not my hottie sauce. Watch out for my hottie sauce dropping October 19th.